Imagine waking up every morning and knowing that you have made $5 in Bitcoin without ever touching a mining rig, without paying insane electricity bills, and most importantly, without having to be a tech genius. That is exactly what I'm doing right now with GoMining. And in this video, I will break down how it works, how much you really need to get started, and how $5 a day could grow into something much bigger. Welcome back to the channel where I share everything about crypto, earning passive income, and Bitcoin mining. Also real strategies that actually work. If you are new here, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Why $5 a day? Well, it's simple. For beginners, it is not about making thousands of dollars overnight. It is about consistent and realistic income. $5 equals to about $150 a month, which could cover a utility bill, a phone payment, or you can simply use it to stack up on those Satoshis. And best of all, it is very scalable. If you know how to make $5 a day in Bitcoin, you can figure out how to make $10 a day, $20 a day, $50 a day, $100 a day in Bitcoin. So how do I actually earn this? Let me show you. So I use the GoMining platform. It allows me to mine Bitcoin every single day without having to invest in big bulky machines, without having to spend thousands of dollars on electricity, and without having to be a tech genius. GoMining makes it very, very simple, and it is super easy to get started. So if you are new to the channel and you want to start mining Bitcoin, I do have the link for GoMining in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Instead of spending tens of thousands of dollars to buy mining equipment, GoMining allows you to buy hash power from their actual miners. They have warehouses full of miners. So with GoMining, you are able to purchase one of these NFTs. These NFTs are literally a portion of hashing power in a real mining rig. As you can see, I currently have 5 miners, and each of these miners are earning me Bitcoin every single day. My total power right now is 80.68 terahashes, but by the end of this video, we are going to add some power to earn even more Bitcoin. So as you can see, 5 different miners. This miner is the bonus miner. If you use the link below, you are going to get 5 days of free mining with this bonus miner. It is literally free Bitcoin. Once those 5 days run out, you will need to purchase a miner, and to purchase a miner, you can do it 2 different ways. The first way is to literally press create a miner. Right here, you are able to choose how much power you want. The more power, the more terahashes, the more money you are going to make. Also efficiency. The better the efficiency, the more you make as well. So for example, if you get the most basic, cheapest miner, 1 terahash, this miner will earn you 89 cents every single month, and the total cost is only $26.99. So when you press next, you can use your Visa card, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or you can use crypto to pay for this miner. Once you get the miner, every single day it will earn you Bitcoin that you can cash out straight to your wallet. Also, if you use the promo code that I'm showing you right now, you can get an extra 5% off. The second way of getting a miner is by simply going over to the marketplace. Currently have over 4,000 different miners for sale. Some of them are very expensive, some of them are very cheap. You can literally buy a miner anywhere between $26 all the way up to $250,000. Obviously, the more powerful your miner, the more Bitcoin you are going to earn daily. But as you can see, a ton of different choices to choose from. You can also sort by the lowest priced miner, which is right now $26.60, or you can sort by the highest ROI, lowest price per terahash, or the highest price. Let's quickly see the highest one right now. It is $277,000. Obviously, this one probably makes a ton of money. So in my dashboard, you will see that I have over 80 terahashes. And when we press on rewards, you are going to see the Bitcoin that I'm earning every single day. As you can see, the payment for today was 0.003957 57 Satoshis. So every single day, like clockwork, I'm getting Bitcoin deposited into my account. So how many terahashes do you need to accumulate in order to earn about $5 a day? Well, you are going to need around 95 terahashes to earn $5 a day at the current price of Bitcoin. So yesterday I earned 3,957 Satoshis. When we go over to Google and we pretty much paste that number, it comes out to $4.38. So that is how much Bitcoin I earned yesterday. But when we go over to my mining farm again, we are going to do a quick little upgrade on this miner so I can show you exactly how it's done. Simply press upgrade and select how much more power you want. You can do these basic upgrades below, or you can customize it right here. So this is where you'll be able to pick exactly how many terahashes you want, how much it will cost, and all that good information. But for this video, I'm going to select the $249 upgrade. And when we do the full breakdown, this will earn me an extra 414 Satoshis daily, which comes out to 28 cents worth of Bitcoin every single day. Not bad at all. And it will take my miner from 48.67 terahashes to 57.11 terahashes, pretty much giving me 8.44 extra terahashes. We're simply going to press next. We will be using crypto to pay for this upgrade, so we are going to scroll down to the GoMining token, which I have in my account, and it comes out to 473 GoMining tokens, and that is equal to $249. We're going to press pay. We are going to press confirm, and within a matter of seconds, our power is upgraded. Now we have 89.12 total terahashes, and with the extra 414 Satoshis, we are going to be earning 0.004371 Bitcoin every single day. And at the current price of BTC, that comes out to $4.84. One more upgrade, and we are going to be at that $5 a day mark. So if we are making $5 a day worth of Bitcoin, and we multiply that by 30 days, that comes out to $150 every single month. If we multiply that by 12 months, that is $1,800 yearly worth of Bitcoin, which is not bad at all. But let's multiply it by 5. In 5 years, I will make $9,000 worth of Bitcoin. But keep in mind, the price of Bitcoin fluctuates daily. So in 5 years, the price of Bitcoin might be way higher than what it is now. And this 9,000 might be worth 20,000 or 30,000. Who knows? The key is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you possibly can right now, and simply wait for time to do its thing and wait for the price of Bitcoin to go higher and higher. And did I mention the auto reinvest feature? Let's say you want to grow your power even faster. You can simply turn on the auto reinvest. So instead of getting your Bitcoin paid out to you daily, you can automatically reinvest it into one of your miners to grow your power. This way you'll be able to scale much faster. I do have a video linked in the description box below where I show you exactly how much I earned after reinvesting all of my profits for 30 days. So make sure to check that video out. And now let me show you how much people are earning daily. So when we take a look at the top 3 earners, number 1, he makes $44,545 every single day. That is a lot of money. The second guy earns over $10,000 a day. Third guy earns over $10,000 a day. Fourth guy earns $5,994. The next guy also earns over $5,000. As you guys can see, a lot of people are making life-changing money with this platform. Obviously, it will take a ton of time and a lot of patience, a lot of investing to get to these numbers that some of these people are receiving. But no platform is perfect. Here are some cons. First con is the price of Bitcoin is unpredictable. Nobody knows where the price of Bitcoin will be tomorrow, a year from now or 5 years from now. Big fluctuations in the price of Bitcoin will affect your earnings. So if the price of Bitcoin goes from $100,000 all the way down to $30,000, you'll be making a little bit less daily. And did I mention this is not a get rich quick scheme? It will definitely take some time and patience. Do not expect to invest $20 and wake up tomorrow and be a Bitcoin millionaire. It will not happen. But you can definitely invest $25 and start earning daily Bitcoin payouts. And for all of you that made it this far, here's how you can earn some free tokens that you can use to purchase miners, to upgrade your miners, and to get to $5 a day much faster. And that is by simply using the bounty program. In the bounty program, there are many ways that you can earn free tokens. For example, if you invite friends, if you are on Reddit, you can literally post in the Reddit group and you can accumulate points. If you love chatting on Telegram, every 10 messages that you send in their Telegram group, you will earn points, and these points are converted into GoMining tokens. You can watch their GoMining video, and these all accumulate, and in my opinion is a great way to earn some free tokens. Here are the free tokens that I have earned in the bounty program. Over 30 tokens last week. The week before, 64 tokens, 21 tokens, 89 tokens, and all of these tokens, I'm simply using them to upgrade my miners to earn even more Bitcoin. So definitely do not miss out on the bounty program. Take advantage, get those free tokens, and start upgrading your farm. So that is how I earn $5 a day mining Bitcoin on GoMining. No hardware, no stress, just daily Bitcoin payouts. Like I said, if you want to build some passive income, if you want to start mining Bitcoin, the link will be in the description box below. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever, drop those in the comment section below. I do my best to answer every single comment and help out as much as I possibly can. Press the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.